Well, this quiet lane is excellent for saying hello. So it's John Neal here, and it is Monday the 10th of March 2026. And I'm doing this intro with the Neo 2 drone, which as usual is absolutely doing its job. In fact, it's only about, I don't know, a metre ahead of me and going backwards at 14 miles an hour and holding itself extremely well. Honestly, this little drone, and that's why I'm out today. I'm only going on a bike ride, I know. But there you go. So I've come out to go to Market Bosworth, usual routes really, but I just want to use the drone again. Two reasons. One, it's absolutely fantastic fun and so useful for getting these sorts of shots. And the more I use it, the better I am with it, because you just practice. So that's all for the good. Oh, I just can't believe it. It's so small, and you don't have to fold in the legs or anything. You just take it out, switch it on, set it, and off you go. Look at this, marvellous. Right, I've got a corner to turn, so we'll see how it copes with this, and then I'll give it a rest. To the left, mate, come on. Look at that, not a problem. I've actually worked out what to do if a car comes, and that is to slow down and just get onto the grass and the drone will come with me. Isn't it good? Wow. Well, here's a nice finishing shot. Got all the blossom on these trees here. Fantastic. Oh, and some daffodils. And here's a car. Fortunately, it's holding its own very steady. So I'm good. Oh, he's pulling over anyway. I don't know if he's noticed the drone. Look, drone, yeah. Entering Shenton. Okay, I'll pull over and bring her in. Oh, you want? Funny enough, the recording stops once I stop the function. So let's just stop here. Watch this. I don't know. It will cut out before it does the move, but I'll put my hand out. It'll come over and land. Oh yeah. Just coming past the Dove Gallery. We're here on Sunday. Lovely stuff in there. Tim and Lorraine, who are running that, used to be the proprietors of Michaelmas House, the shop in Market Bosworth, which was handed over, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 years ago, and Carolyn was working it. I had some stuff on sale in there, and now it's just gone out of business. It's a sign of the times. It's really strange, and a big pity too. Right, so I'm going to head on towards Market Bosworth, and my favourite route is through Far Coton. And okay, I know we've been this way before, but I'm going into Far Coton and off that way. Somebody said the other day, the cheek of it, he said that the video was too long, and it went on for about half an hour, I must admit. So I just simply advised him, get some popcorn, fizzy drink, make yourself comfortable, sit back and enjoy. Look at these crows up here. Right, let me sort myself out. I've got a bloody big tractor behind me. Hiya. Nice bit of tunnel audio there. Hello. One or two folk out, aren't there? I'm using the GoPro now, and here is Coton Lane, is it? Yeah. Got to put my hand out, sorry. There's cars behind me and ahead of me. I don't know. Traffic. Oh, look at this tree. Since it's only March, we've still got a lot of winter trees, of course. There's no leaves out really yet. A little bit of blossom here and there, which is nice, but no leaves on trees. But I do like a winter tree, and I'm getting repetitive now because I'm going past one of my favourite trees. I must give it a name. Here it is, look. Look at that beauty. Wow. This is the Heritage Line to Shackleton. Looks like they're doing some maintenance down there, clearing out the vegetation. I'll stop waffling, and I'll see you in Market Bosworth. The middle of Market Bosworth is a popular place for cyclists to gather together, and there's always somebody coming by, and I had a wonderful chat with this gentleman whose name I've forgotten, I'm afraid. He's older than me and looking very fit for his age, and I was showing him the drone, and it was so easy to use. I'm just showing here as I walk around how it manages to spotlight me, keep me in frame, which is fantastic. So then it was time to set off down towards the first gate in the gated road. There was nobody around here, no dogs, so I thought I'd just leave the drone running behind me and go and open the gate, push it open, push the bike through and see how the drone coped with all this. And yep, and surprisingly, it managed absolutely perfectly. Wonderful. The little Neo 2 drone managed perfectly well. It was a little bit against the wind though, and I was going at about 14-15 miles an hour, so it wandered around a little bit, but there's plenty of space and nobody else around, so everything was safe. Unfortunately, I was going to link some audio with the video, but of all things, the recorder, the voice recorder, was full up. I don't know why, so I had to leave that. Here's a test for the drone again. I was here the other day and see how it copes with me going around this gate. And again, absolutely perfect. Well done, Droney. I don't know how much of that I got either, because the little Sony audio has now said the memory's full, which I was surprised. I don't know why there's. It's not easy to use, this little thing. I have deleted most of the files, but it seems there's other stuff on there, other information, which has clogged up the memory. So I'll have to sort that out on the computer. As I was saying, yeah, the little drone, absolutely superb. Its battery just ran down and a red light flashes, and then you've got, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 minutes to either bring it back in, which I do because it was right in front of me, and then put it away. So, this is just absolutely fantastic. I don't use the term game changer very often, or blow my mind. No, I never use blow my mind. That's just stupid. But it's a game changer. Yeah, it's wonderful. And bringing it out again today was very useful for me, because each time I use it and it works well, then it builds my confidence in it doing what it has to do. And it's been extremely good. And there's a little bit of wind today, so I've noticed that it wandered off as I was going quite quick into the wind. So the wind speed on it must have been approaching 20 miles an hour plus. So that'll do me then. Okay, thank you very much for watching so far, and you will see me in the next video. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye. Well, here's an absolute treat at Higham Fields Lane, just near Higham on the Hill. 2 magnificent looking red kites. Look at those.